Thanks for taking a look at the 35 call challenge. There's three things I want to cover on this short video today. The first one is the why. Why 35 call challenge? Because I've been doing this for 35 years. Okay. I've been working with salespeople in different capacities. And I know that by getting people into action, and when I say into action, action is not listening to me on the phone or listening to another speaker. It's actually getting into the action of making the calls, having the conversations, sending out all the stuff that is getting you engaged in the process. That is how you get results. It's the same thing. Like you want to learn how to swim, you could go watch Michael Phelps give a lesson on swimming. He could have whiteboards. He could have all the presentations in the world. He could show you his strokes, but until you actually get in the pool, you're never going to become a better swimmer. So that's the point, is to get you into the activities right away, and you're going to experience, it's certainly not going to be an easy process, but that's the point, right? We grow by things that make us uncomfortable. So the why behind it is get you into activity and help you grow. Number two is, what's different about this than all the other internet type training workshops you see online? Well, the difference is it's a smaller group, and I am in the trenches with you. I'm doing the activities with you. You're getting real feedback. You're getting real live, on time, in call feedback every day. We do 5 days over a 7-day period. That's what we do. We get together. We go over the things that happened the day before, the challenges, the opportunities. We role play together. I make live calls. I mean, I am in the trenches with you. I don't know about you, but I don't know if you've seen some of these other presentations where you may have a Zoom call with 4,000 people on the Zoom call. Well, I mean, I could watch that from the comfort of my couch if I wanted to. I'm not going to really gain much from that, but being in the actual lesson and working with the coach and actually being able to communicate one-on-one with the coach and ask questions and get real feedback, that is what makes this different than all the other online trainings you're going to get. The last thing is what's inside. So let me give you a real quick tour. I'm going to share my screen with you right now. And this is the actual inside. You're going to have access to our membership platform. By the way, this is a membership platform you're going to keep forever. Even after the challenge is over, I'm going to leave this available to you. And the good thing is I'm always adding things, but you're going to see, like, every day you have day 1, you have day 2, you have day 3, you have day 4, you have day 5. So you have all your actions. So each day is a lesson. You click on the lesson, you log in, you have a video to watch. All right. So there's a video, and then each day you're going to have a lesson, and you're going to have your assignment, which is every day a different assignment. You're going to have a tracking form, and then you're going to have your script for the day. Okay. You also have, here's your link to the Zoom where we have our meetings, and I'm going to give you a different lesson. And once you're done with the lesson, you're going to mark it as complete. You also have a voicemail that you can download. And then finally, we have a tracker in our drive where you're going to track your numbers. So again, you're going to have every single day set up where you're going to log in and you're going to have access to our membership community. And again, I'm always adding new things to the membership community. Here's one on for sale by owners. Starts off with a great video. You watch the video. And then again, on the side over here, you have your assignment. You have all the different objection handlers. You even have a calendar. So giving you everything you need to be successful. That's outside of the daily coaching. So let me stop the share right now. All right. So again, to summarize this, the why behind it is because I know this is proven. It works. I've used it thousands of times myself. I've helped hundreds of agents use these same tools, these same strategies to be successful. Okay. The what is it? Is it's a hands-on, one-on-one, one-on group. We have a whole community of people supporting each other. By the way, I didn't mention the Facebook community and all the other agents that are part of it that have been sharing referrals with each other, have held each other accountable as accountability partners, have role played with each other. It's been absolutely fantastic. Okay. And then the final is, listen, if you're not 100%, like, let's say you decide you want to invest in yourself, which this is going to be, if I expect you to get a 10x investment, because the reality is The things that you're going to learn in here, yeah, this is going to be over in 1 week, but these are going to be the things that you're going to have for the rest of your life, right? When you learn a skill, it doesn't just go away because the event's over. The skill's going to stay with you for the rest of your life. So you're learning lifelong skills. It's that same old saying is if you feed a man a fish, then he can eat for a day. If you teach a man a fish, or if you teach a woman to fish, then they will eat for the rest of their lives. It's the same exact thing as that. So we're offering a guarantee as well, where if you're not 100% satisfied, I will refund your money. That's my promise to you. Okay. What ends up happening is most of the people that go through this get a ton of business, and it's not just business right during the 7 days, but the business keeps coming because a big part of what we talk about is follow up, giving you a plan for follow up. So this is business that's going to continue for the rest of your life. But a lot of people then choose to decide to go into my coaching program as well. And if that's something you want to do, that's awesome. We can certainly talk about that. But the point of this right now is to get you excited about this, get you registered, and get into our next 35 call challenge. If don't worry, if you miss this 35 call challenge, it starts every month, the first week of the month, so you can always jump into the next one. So get registered, and I look forward to working with you personally.